confidence that Congress is going to come up with a framework, a regulatory framework, to govern this new emerging asset class and technology?
I think some will depend on the asset classes itself, how they develop. But I think there's certainly an appetite amongst a number of congressmen and women and senators that I've spoken to approach this with some new eyes and some new thinking. And so I think there's a growing chorus.
It's really important, guys, if you are in the U.S. or even whatever country you reside in, that if you have any kind of political influence, please get involved, because this is going to be a big effect to the crypto market, depending on whether the regulations are friendly or not.
On Capitol Hill for some rethinking here.
Right.
What we hear a lot of is people buying and holding. If you go on to the Twitter universe, you'll see a phrase HODL, which means hold on for dear life.
So yeah, unfortunately, when it comes down to how the regulations are passed, I personally feel because you have commodities, you have futures, the CME is now involved with crypto, Goldman Sachs is involved with crypto. I don't see negative regulations coming. I think the worst regulation they did pass is in the US they tax crypto to crypto exchanges, which is ridiculous. They don't do this for real estate, and the fact that they're doing it for cryptocurrency makes it in a way not so bad, because trading is obviously going to be very difficult, considering you have to constantly pay taxes every time you switch between crypto to crypto. So if you buy Bitcoin, use Bitcoin to buy Litecoin, and then Litecoin to buy Ethereum, these are all taxable exchanges. So it looks like the way to really go is just you buy the currency, you sit on it for a year. And this is kind of what I've been preaching with crypto, is that you buy and you just hold and you don't trade, and then you don't have to deal with paying all these taxes or figuring out, what you owe in taxes, because it is kind of a big headache. But we'll see. The biggest thing that we do need with future regulations is custodianship. If they allow custodianship of crypto assets, they can set up ETFs. This should then hopefully attract a lot of institutional investors into this market. And that's where my price prediction of Bitcoin, or the market cap, I said Bitcoin to 20,000 and the market cap of being over $1 trillion. That's going to happen when they do properly set up custodianship of these crypto assets. So pay attention to this stuff. It's really important. If you go through some of my other interviews, I kind of troll the regulators, because they're kind of acting like they're doing what's in the best interest of the public, and in reality it's all BS. They're just making sure that the politicians that put them in power, they're happy. But let me know your thoughts. And like I said, unfortunately for these type of videos, I have to slice and dice and come in and out. So I will be sharing other videos from like RT and Crypto Trader or CNBC, where they don't flag you and they let you just play the clip full and then comment on it. So thank you very much for your time, and I will talk to you guys soon.